Fallingwater, Pennsylvania, USA. Fallingwater, designed by the legendary architect Frank Lloyd Wright, is one of the most iconic homes in the world. Built in 1939, this masterpiece is perched over a waterfall in the dense forests of Pennsylvania. Wright's design seamlessly integrates the house with its natural surroundings, making it a prime example of organic architecture. The home's unique cantilevered structure allows it to hover over the flowing water, creating a serene and harmonious connection with nature. The interiors of Fallingwater are just as impressive, featuring expansive windows that offer breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Wright used natural materials such as stone, wood, and glass, ensuring that the home feels like a natural extension of the environment. The open floor plan and flowing spaces within the house enhance the sense of connection between the indoors and outdoors. Fallingwater is not just a house, it's a testament to Wright's belief that architecture should complement rather than dominate its environment. Today it stands as a National Historic Landmark and continues to inspire architects and designers worldwide.